magical babes, Adelina here, and welcome to my beachside view. Peeling off the tape is always the best part of making an art piece, or adding tape to an art piece, I mean. We're near the end of our art venture, magical babes. I decided to paint the frame a unicorn type color, and I didn't even think of it as a unicorn type color until William pointed it out. And of course, since it's my art piece, it wouldn't be complete without some glitter. So I got the extreme glitter in hologram. I cast a spell and ta-da! This is the end of our beachside view. And now time for a message from our local tired artist. Up we go on a magical adventure of painting the wall. And today I love to say that I finished painting the wall after 3 days. Yay! Until next time, magical babes, have an enchanting day. Goodbye!